welcome back. I got that's just the backdrop to cover all the crap I have on my shelves. Thought it was pretty cool. So here's a cam from Jay Greene Racing. Cam, I'm gonna do an unboxing. I haven't opened it yet, but I have everything else. Spark plugs. It's so much easier to do the spark plugs when the heads are off. Head bolts, lifters, gaskets, exhaust, head gaskets. Got basically everything I need. What are these? Oh, these are the hubcaps for my 22-inch hubcap reps. They kind of faded a little bit, so I got new ones from OE Wheels. Yeah. I also got a new Hellcat rep, full size with the tires that I have. I put it in the back now because of the Willwood brakes. I can't use the spare anymore. The spare is way over there. And I figured I'd get new hubcaps for the other rims to make them look newer. So when I break down, I can put the spare I have on. It's a full-size wheel. It matches the rest. And I can leave it on, and I can get the other one fixed and stick it back in the truck. I also got a fog light I got to replace in my truck. Got this off of eBay for like 45 bucks. I need just the housing, but I thought it was a good deal. It's always the right fog light that everybody breaks. I got to be careful this time when I put it on because it shakes a little bit. Bruno knows. It's like a strobe light when you hit a bump. Man, I should do sponsorships. I'm doing a Jay Greene cam with 6-hour range targets, Mopar parts, listening to music on my JBL next to my Simplicity lawnmower. Shout out to Moe's. What's up, little shop? 2-3 Designs, HHP, JM Graphics, Airlift, Hellwig, Viking Performance, ARH, baby, and yours truly, TunedRAMS. All while being dialed in with an African sugar in my lower decky. Woo! All right, let's open this thing up. Oh, forgot one. I'm gonna be using my Spyderco Tropin, my daily carry. All right, I just shopped this, so I don't want to cut my fingers off. As a few of you might know, Jay's been going through some stuff, family issues and stuff, but keep him in your prayers, man. We're all human. I don't know if you guys noticed that. We're all human, and we're all not perfect. We do make mistakes. And I know some of you out there are afraid to contact him because you think he's busy or he's retiring. He's not. He's still in business at full throttle. He does not advertise, so because you're not seeing posts in advertisement doesn't mean he's not in business. Jay is a stand-up human being. The man, the myth, the legend. The reason why I'm getting a cam, or a new cam I should say, is because I'm hearing a little bit of a the Hemi tick, not the exhaust Hemi tick, the lifter Hemi tick. And I checked my exhaust, I checked everything. I do have a slight leak at an exhaust flange, but I do have new gaskets. But I also want, a bigger cam with the stall I got. I don't want to change my stall. It flashes at around 3,400. And this is a custom grind cam. It's the same cam, close to the same exact cam Kyle Tingle had years ago in his truck, running 10s or low 11s, I think. Or this is the cam that he got the 11.9 on. I don't even know. But my truck's not going to be running 11s because it's too fat. So, but it's got it's a bigger cam, slightly bigger, a little more aggressive, longer duration. Comp cams. God, I love stickers, man. I love stickers. I love stickers. Yes, sir. Stop. Protect your investment. I'll read that later. Oh, it comes with instructions. All right, now the unwrapping. This is an unboxing. Now we're at the unwrapping stage. It's always cool to look at these before they go in. And it's always important. I'll remind you guys later on when I do the installation. This is going to be an install video in my truck. Always lube your shaft before you insert it in that tight hole. Okay, because it's very important. You don't want to scratch the surfaces on the lubes. And it's all, why is it always sectional when it comes to these things? Any man that's installed one of these thinks about it for a split second because you're going in. Anyway, let's unwrap this. And I should notice a size, pretty big difference in performance and acceleration in the power band. See what I'm saying? Oof, look at that. It's a shame you can't see it when it's running, but that thing's a beauty. Here she is. Greene Racing cam, stage 2, V2 Thumparoni. Sick. So again, this was a custom grind. It wasn't off the shelf. Jay, contacted Comp for the custom grind. It took about, I don't know, just under 3 weeks to get here. I was in no rush. I think that's a decent turnaround for a custom grind. But there's some precision right here. I currently have the HPT cam from Moe's. I love that cam. I've had it for years now. No issues at all. Like I said, I might have a lifter that may have failed. If I didn't and the cam is in good condition, I might sell it or just keep it. When I do this basement over and I actually have plastered walls, I might just put it up for a souvenir because it was my first cam I had in that truck. And that cam's just a great all-around cam for the street and the track for that matter. I'll be doing an install video. I'll try to make that video as fast like I did the last time for the brakes. Do quick step-by-steps before idle. Well, I could do an idle of the HPT and the idle for this cam. Get an idle difference. My ProMaster actually just hit 100,000 miles, so I got to do a review on that. I'm on the 3rd transmission in that POS, but so far so good. I'm also going to try to get Mark Roger up here, do a little cameo, show up to my shop here. Truck will be right here. Engine will be apart, and maybe Roger can come over, give me a hand maybe. Haven't seen that dude in a minute. But Jay's a solid dude, man. He always answers any questions I got. We talk on the phone a lot about just about anything, everything, politics, God, everything. Hemis. But he went through a couple storms, and don't be afraid to reach out and contact him and get any questions about your tuning. He's been around for a while with a proven track record, and I'm glad I reached out to him to do this cam. His custom grind, his tuning. It's gonna run awesome. All right, time to go mow my lawn. This is the cam. This is the unboxing. Stay tuned for the cam install. I'm probably gonna do it in a couple weeks. See how my schedule is. So stay tuned. Peace.